Reporting someone in-game on Rust Console is probably the most pointless thing you can do. You can report people in Rust Console for a variety of things, going from profanity and bad language or racism to cheating and using Zim or Zen. But how fast does someone get banned on this game? Let me break it down for you. I reported someone well over a year ago. We're talking about a year and a half now. And what you can do when you're at the main screen on Rust Console, whether it be the PTB or the main branch version, you can tap RB or whatever that is for PlayStation controller. But if you press RB for Xbox, it will come up with the list of people you've reported and the status in which whether it's been seen or it's just been submitted and nothing has been done yet. So, as you should, came out against cheaters well over a year and a half ago and they admitted to cheating and they were bragging about it. So, like you should, reported them. D11 did not get back to me for over a year. It's the most pointless thing to do. If you see someone or believe someone is cheating or have bad language or being racist like we've come against in the past, reported them, nothing has happened. It is quite possibly the most pointless thing you can do, whether it's different at the Zendesk or whatever it's called over on the D11 website for Rust Console. The in-game system of reporting people is so broken and pointless, and this is due to D11 having a small team in the first place and 2, a lot of false reports. But let's be honest, whilst there's a lot of false reports out there, there are also a lot of reports that are genuine and true, yet they're just not getting to them. And that's probably one of my biggest complaints with this game, is how it's dealt with people, you know, using racism or cheating. It's just really not looked at well, from my experience anyway. It could be a lot different from a lot of other people's standpoints. But when I've reported people, or reported let's say 3 or 4 people, it's only just now said a couple months ago that it was looked at, not whether they'd been banned or anything, just looked at. And whether they do get banned, you don't even get told. You don't get told the person you've reported is banned or not. Apparently that's, you know, you're not supposed to know that even though you're the one that is reporting this user. I want to know what you guys have had the experience in reporting people in this game. Do they get banned fast or not? Is it better if you hop into the Discord and report them or via the website than it is in game? It's just been so pointless seeing so many people complain about certain things in this game that they want to report, and when you do report it, even people exploiting the launch site glitch when you went under the ground. Did they get banned for it? Did they? Fuck. Because there's so many people reporting people nowadays that some of them get looked at that are true and they get, you know, with respect to D11, they have done a good job in getting to some of them, but getting to some of them isn't good enough on a game like this one. Have you reported anyone on this game where it's been looked at and you know if they've got banned or not, or is it still up for review? Yours haven't even been looked at and it's been well over a year. It would be very unlikely if you were to report someone now that they would get back to you within the next couple of weeks or even months. This is why it's going to be so good when community servers come out, when more people in the community can take charge of banning people from their servers, whether it's down to bad language or cheating. Because quite frankly, right now D11 just aren't doing enough for it. Whether or not they're going to implement an automated system, we don't know. But, you know, there are a few people that say they do a good job with banning people. I want to see where they're banning these people. You know, I want to see people uploading TikTok saying, I've been banned. I've only seen a couple, hardly any, compared to the ratio of people that are cheating or being racist, etc. There's, you know, there's so many people out there that just aren't banned for this type of action in the game. Do you guys think they need to up the team? Do they need to invest in new team members that can take charge of looking at these reports? Because it's definitely something they need to improve on, otherwise this game will just get out of control like it already has. It's pretty far gone in terms of cheating, and we already know this. Community servers probably, as I said, the last hope for this game. But how's your experience been with reporting players in game or via the website? Let me know what you think in the comments. Have your reports been looked at, or are they still up for review, whether it's months, weeks, or even years later?